Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show how to t- install MongoDB on your system. So first we need to go to MongoDB website. On home page we need to click software and go to community server. On this page you need to select the type of your system and you need to download it. I already downloaded it. So after downloading it we need to click this. Then after this we need to click next and accept the terms. Then on this page we need to click complete. Then we need to install it just as it is, don't change the values. Then uncheck this box because it takes some time to install. So we need to just go on with the options till the end. At this time we get a pop-up message, so we need to click S. Once we are done with the setup, go to C drive, go to program files. On this page you can see MongoDB database. So go to file server, then select 4.2, then go to bin. This is the data we have got from the installation. So this is a path we need to copy. Now open cmd. In this cmd, keep every command in the commas. Then after this click mongodb.exe, then close it. If you get this type of message, then it is successfully installed on your system. Then after this, if you want to move on with some other, like if you want to start the server, you need to go to mongo, same code, but you need to change the last letter of mongo.d.exe. Then after clicking this, you will get this data. So if you get the, like, let me increase the font. If you get arrow over here, then it is running. So after this, if you want to like check your databases, type show dbs. If you get this message, then your installation is done. So there is a other shortcut you can do for this. Close your cmd, type cmenv, and you get this folder, like you get this pop-up window. Then on that folder click environment variable and click on path, go to edit. On this edit, it will delete it, create new one, go to your C drive. On the C drive, navigate to program files, MongoDB server 4.2 and bin. Select the path, here type new, paste it and save it. Once done, just select OK and now go to CMD. If you type Mongo and version, and you get the same thing. If you want to see, like if you want to start your server, type MongoD, and if you want to show your databases, type Mongo. And after this, just click show DBS and it works the same. So that's it. Thank you.